Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I just want to say thank you for everybody that subscribed because it has grown a bit. And thank you for all the views that has also grown a bit. So this is Renee. You guys know Renee. Say hi, Renee.
Hello, guys.
Renee did two previous videos. If you haven't watched it yet, please go watch it. I'll put, or you'll see it on my profile. She did mic drop the music video and mic drop the dance practice. And then the next time we did Blood, Sweat and Tears, which was interesting, right, Renee?
Yes.
And the music video and the dance practice. So today I thought I will play Renee Idol. Okay, so you guys must please put in the comments if you have any suggestions what you want me to play for Renee. You guys must keep watching as well because I've got new people coming up that I also did a reaction with that I'm going to post to. So have a look out for that, to guys. So yes, but please put in the comments if there's anything that you want me to show Renee that she must react to. So yes, without ado, let's get into Idol. We're going to do the music video and we're going to do the dance practice. So let us see. Now you know the vibes of the other songs, Renee.
Can't call me artist, can't call me idol. 아니었던 다른 뭐라 해도 idol. I'm proud of it. 난 잘 없네. 너무 알았네. 나는 항상 나였길. 손가락질 해. 나는 전혀 신경 쓰지 않네. 나를 욕하는 내. 그 이유가 뭐든 간에. I know what I am. I know what I want.
Totally different from the other two again, right?
Yes.
I'm never gonna trade.
I love the vibe of this.
Face on my T on some A. Top star with that spotlight A. 때론 superhero가 돼. 돌려대로 get out my way. Whoa, 이시 서식 가네 접시 가네 내게 서식. I do my thing. I love myself. I love myself. I love my fellow, my face and my way. 내 손안에 몇십 명 백명의 내가 있어. 오늘도 다른 날 맞이해. 어차피 전부 다 나에게. 고민보다는 게 달리네. Running man, running man, running man.
My 5-year-old grandson loves, my 7-year-old grandson now loves the song, but he's loved it since he was very, very small. He calls it the shock video. The music videos are always so colorful. Yeah. C'est son love, like.
So far wherever I go, 가끔 멀리 돌아가도 it's okay. I'm in love with myself. It's okay. 이 순간 행복해.
Renee, what did you think of Idol?
The song of the video is more colorful than most of their videos that the
You'll
two that
see
I
when I show you
see.
other ones, they have a lot of colorful
So
sets.
so they
A
like the
lot.
color.
Yeah, the other, because of the song vibe of Blood, Sweat and Tears,
Yeah,
was
yes,
very, chilled down. Mic drop was kaboom, the
yeah, very
explosions and
much.
all of that. So it depends on the vibe of the song also, I presume. But what did you think of the song itself compared to what you've heard before?
This is more how do you say it in English? Rustiger.
More chill and calm and
Yes, more
relaxed.
calm and relaxed, but it still represent them.
Then
Because,
you mean it's more calm than Mic Drop?
yeah, very much calm.
It's not calmer than Blood, Sweat and
No,
Tears, I
no,
think.
no, no,
Blood,
no.
Sweat and Tears is
It-
very
yes, it's
chill
more calm than
and a totally different vibe.
yeah, and I feel it's
Do you
more.
like the song?
Yes, I feel like it's more their culture also in the video.
Yes,
There's a
with the
lot of
dragons in the
yes,
back and all. Yeah,
yes,
exactly. That is Korea. That's part of the Korean culture. So,
yes.
and it is very colorful. So, okay. So, out of 10,
I will say 8.
8.
Yes,
Okay. So there's
it's
one.
an
There's
8.
not one that you haven't really liked.
Yeah.
And there wasn't one that you didn't
Don't
like
no,
much either.
no.
They were like all in between.
Yes.
But 8 is good. Okay. And now, last time I asked you about some of the members. Can you remember? They change hair colors a lot, right? So it's difficult for the people to always recognize the members. We shall get into the Taylor Marie guide. I know a lot of guys like people to watch the Taylor Marie guide, that the guide to BTS, the Bangtan 7. So I will do that with Renee some more other time, because that's a long ass video. You guys know. So I will do that with Renee some other time, so she can get to know the members. But oh boy, let's see if she can spot him.
I have no idea. Like
Last time she showed a bit of interest in Jungkook, right? Can you spot Jungkook?
no,
Let's play a little game.
I will say
The one, can you spot the one that you thought was Jungkook last time? That we were talking about. Remember, you said if you looked at the dance, you thought that was Jungkook, but this person is not actually a dancer.
for
He
me.
actually didn't want to dance when
Yeah,
he started BTS, but he had to. But he actually improved very much, so I can understand why you thought that was Jungkook. But can you, firstly, recognize Jungkook? Let's play a little game. Eeny of eeny, meeny, miny, moe, and see if you can. We must have more or less an idea of what Jungkook looks like.
There,
Take the hair color away, but I mean, you must
yeah,
more or
I
less have an idea.
I think I'm really not.
Let me just plug in this,
100%
guys, because the battery is low. Okay, there we go.
I really
Yes, it's still busy recording. Okay, so I'm going to have to cut out that part
that part.
where we sat like statues. Right, okay. Okay, so Renee, let me know if you can recognize Jungkook.
I don't know. I think
Now that is the one you confused with Jungkook last time as well. That's Sugar. Okay, so every time Renee confuses Jungkook with Sugar. I don't know if Sugar looks a lot like Jungkook.
the last time also.
Yeah, she also last time you also confused Sugar with Jungkook. Jungkook is right in front in the middle.
Yeah, I wasn't
But
sure.
the hair
It's
color, you
between
see,
that.
the hair
I
color threw you off.
thought this one was Sugar. The middle, I thought
The
that
hair color threw you off.
very much.
If I can actually see where you're coming from now, because I think now that you mention it, their faces look a lot
Oh,
not similar,
not
because
similar,
they
but
are all
yes.
different, but and I can recognize them, but I can understand how a new person can confuse. And it every time, Renee, every time, every time. Yes, that is sugar. That is the same one as I said.
Sugar.
That's the same one you confused with Jungkook last time. So, okay, so now we know where we are at. So it's Jungkook and Sugar, those two. So you won't forget those two. Okay, so we're gonna get the music, the dance, the dance practice now. And let me just go set it, guys, because last time we tried to record something and I didn't set the video and we had to do it over. So let me just go and choose the choreography. Okay, right. Got it. So now we'll see if she can. Renee will get it right this time. I know it's tough for people that don't know. My daughters always say they all look the same, which is completely wrong because none of them look the same.
Yeah.
But they say they all look the same, mommy, and I say no, they definitely don't look the same. Okay, so here's the dance practice. Let's see what Renee thinks of the dance practice. I like doing the dance practice because then you can see the dance more clearly. Sometimes
Yeah.
in the video.
When the dance video got they cut off.
They cut off, yes. And the dance practice is what they practice to perform at their live shows. So that's why you sometimes see backup dancers and stuff like that. Also, with the dance practices. So that is what they practice for when they are on stage. Tell me again which one style you like best after we finish, and which one's dancing you like best. Where's Renee? I want to see you choose it and say every time. Who stands out? And I'm going to catch you here as well too. I'll tell you later why. Okay, what did you think of the dancing, Renee? Compared to what you've seen already before and of this with the song?
This is a very simple one for me.
Mm.
It's not that
More difficult like the other
yeah,
ones
it's this dance wasn't that difficult like the other.
compared to the other ones.
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, for in my eyes.
Yeah. In your opinion,
yeah.
everything is our opinion, guys. If you agree or you disagree, it doesn't matter. You can put it in the comments because everything is our personal opinion. Everybody likes their own things, as I say. So it depends on what you like and what you don't like. So
Yes.
yes. So it the music video is that, or the music is this particular song. Is that something you will add to a playlist or not? Not your vibe.
I will add it.
Will you add this
Yeah.
type of song to a
Yeah.
playlist? Mic
The other
drop,
two
mic
is
drop.
already
Is
added.
it already added?
It's
Okay.
already added.
Okay, so we know that Renee kind of likes most of this stuff so far. Okay, style wise, who stood out to you style wise?
I will say that.
The one on the right.
Yes, he's no the basic with the white T-shirt and the
Okay, that is RM. That's the leader. That's RM. Yeah.
the basic is look nice. So that one style stood
Okay.
out for
Okay.
me.
And who stood out dance wise for you
There are
with the
actually
dance
two.
moves?
It's
Okay, show
between
me.
two. The one with the black and grey pants,
Right,
black hat.
right in front.
Yes, and
Right
then
in
the
front
one
with the
with
long
the
pants
jeans
and the bucket hat and the black t-shirt, and then the other one
is with the blue jeans.
with the blue jeans.
Yes.
Okay, right. So the one
So
in
it's
front.
between
Yeah.
that two for
Oh,
me.
you know where your boyki is?
No,
You don't.
no.
The one in front. You got it. You got it. You know where the other one is, who you normally confuse with?
Isn't it the one with
No, the other one in the bucket hat with the shorts on, with the
With the
black with the
shorts.
black shirt. That's sugar. Yes. Yeah.
so?
Yeah. They got the same bucket hats. They got the same black shirts on, but they just one got the short. Yeah, Sugar's got the short on. Jungkook's got the long pants on.
I
Okay.
can't even see their faces. I'm just
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah. Okay. So that was good. That was good. You recognized Jungkook. Yeah, Jungkook is good with the dancing. Yeah. So that was the choreography. I think Idol is a very. It reminds me of like a tribal type song, like a World Cup theme song type of thing. Don't you think?
Yo, that's
When
actually
you have like a World Cup
Yeah.
final and you have a song for it, this is the type of song that'll fit for me perfectly in like a World Cup vibe,
Yeah.
you know, for some other sport. It's like a tribal, anthem, World Cup
Yeah.
type of thing. I would say for me, that was the vibe I got when I listened to Idol the first time.
I didn't even think
Yeah,
about it that
I would
way.
think, like Shakira's one that she had for the World Cup
Yeah.
in South Africa, that,
Yeah,
Waka Waka, that type of vibe. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like a tribal type of thing. Okay, so you liked it. Still 8 out of 10, Renee?
Yes, I will say 8.
Okay.
But
Okay. Yeah? Yeah.
no.
No, you can say.
Most of them are the same for me, but
Yeah.
this is more chill. But it's still something I will add on my list.
That's
for
really
sure.
interesting because to me, this song is not chill at all. To me, it's like totally
Really?
crazy and totally. Especially when you look at the music video and they have all that dancing and the dances and the dragons and it's like
Dance.
busy.
It's very busy, the music videos.
But it's to me like
But-
I just want to go like this when I
For me, it's
hear the
chill
song.
again.
So, it's interesting. Now you see different people, different opinions, and different vibes. That is always what it's about. So no, Idol's probably one of my favorite songs of theirs. So now,
I
yeah,
will say from the 3 you showed me will be Blood, Sweat and
Tears.
Tears.
You like the most.
Yes.
Honestly,
Yes.
I didn't expect that at all
I will say between
because of
that
your
two,
reaction with that music video. I didn't expect.
I will say that one is my favorite.
Oh no, you guys see, a very unexpected because out of the 3 I showed Renee so far, I would have never guessed that your favorite so far was Blood, Sweat and Tears. Because of the totally different vibe and the totally different. It is a beautiful song. It is a beautiful song.
From the 3 you showed me that one is
But
my
I thought Renee's like more kind of a girl, you know? So I thought you would pick one of those. But I'm surprised. Okay, well, that's good to know, Renee. I'm glad. Blood, Sweat and Tears is a beautiful song. And the meaning behind the song is also,
Yes.
BTS always tells the most beautiful stories. And there is a storyline, like I told you, I don't know if I told you last time. BTS's music there's a storyline that runs through all of their albums. So a particular storyline
Yes,
that
yes.
runs right through all of their music. So everything is there for a purpose. Everything tells a story and it follows on the
There's a
next thing.
reason for the song.
Yes, they've got a storyline that runs through
That's
all of
good.
the albums. So we will explore that also a bit more. But I think the next one I'm going to show Renee is another very interesting one. So you guys want to comment and subscribe?
Yes, yes,
Let
yes.
us know. Put in the comments what you think the song is that I'm going to show Renee next. I would love to see who's right.
Yes.
I'll give you a clue. It's also a very colorful music video, and probably one of my favorite dances out of all the music videos. Probably one of my favorite dance practices and dance routines, choreographies out of most of them. So put in the comments, guys, if you could guess which one it is. And then I'm going to show that to Renee next. But give us some love and let me know, what you thought of everything. Subscribe and share with your friends, and we'll see you. Let me just get to my page because I'm not there. You see, I don't do editing, so I'll see if I edit this out or not. I don't like doing editing. So we'll see you on the next one. Okay, go ahead.